Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Digital Combat Simulator error code 502. The error reads, "Authorization failed to get authorization data." As per our research, the error comes when users start the game. According to our research, this error is likely caused by issues with the game's authorization system. It may happen because of incorrect system settings, outdated software, or temporary server problems. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your internet. Simply shut down your PC and unplug your router. Then wait for a few minutes, then restart everything, and then check if the game needs to be updated. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, make sure your system date and time are set correctly. If not, update the date and time and check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, check if your system has any pending updates. If there are updates, install them and check if the error still comes. If the error still continues, make sure the DLCs are unbound from your ED account. Simply unbind them and then launch the game to check if this resolves the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, try flushing your DNS cache. To do this, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the command ipconfig/flushdns. After that, check if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, then it's probably a server-side issue. In that case, wait for some time and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.